Welcome to this guided meditation for strength in stressful times. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair, with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand with fresh air. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries you may be holding on to. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, let your body relax completely. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground beneath you, supported and grounded. With each breath, imagine a warm golden light filling your body, starting at the crown of your head and slowly moving down to your toes. This light is pure energy, revitalizing and strengthening you from within. Now visualize a shimmering bubble of protection surrounding you, shielding you from any negativity or stress that may come your way. You are safe and secure within this bubble, and nothing can harm you. In times of stress, it's important to remember that you are stronger than you realize. You have the power within you to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Take a moment to connect with that inner strength, feeling it grow with each breath you take. If you find your mind wandering to worries or fears, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in peace and calm, and exhale fully, releasing tension and doubt. Know that it's okay to feel overwhelmed at times, but also remember that you have the resilience to bounce back and keep moving forward. You are capable, you are strong, and you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself and for the strength you possess. Carry this feeling of inner power with you as you go about your day, knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle whatever challenges may arise. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for strength in stressful times. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.